Here I've got Lenovo S5, and let me show you how to activate unknown sources on the following device. So at the very beginning, you have to open a list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, then go to security and privacy, and now click on install unknown apps. And here you can allow some particular sources. So for example, let me pick Chrome, click on allow from this source. So from now on, you will be able to install application downloaded by Google Chrome. Then you can obviously do the same thing for other applications. So smoothly click allow from the source, and after that, you will be able to install applications from this particular source. And that would be all. This is how you can activate unknown sources in your Lenovo S5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.